morning, students. We are completed algebras. Oh, sorry. We are completed the geometry's first chapter, and then we are start the algebras first chapter sets. So sets first. What are the basic things required? That all basic things we are already learned yesterday's lectures. So today we are going to start practice set 1.1. So in practice set 1.1, this is the first questions which are you seen on a screen. Write the following set in the roster form. Okay, write the following sets in the rosters form. So I first write the questions here, which is that first set of even number. Okay, set of even number. So even number means what? Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, dash. Or another way definition of the even number is at unit place, if they are having 0, they are having 2, they are having 4, they are having 6, or they are having 8. So any one digits in this means, suppose they are having 0, it is even number. They are having 2, it is even number. They are having 4, it is even number. They are having 6, it is even number. They are having 8, it is even number. Okay, my students. So here we are right here the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, dash. The even number is uncountable. They are where they end, I don't know. So when such a condition is there, so you can write any 2 example or 3 example, then you are doing dash, because they are not giving limitation here. Set of even number they are said. They are not say you are write the even number between 1 and 10. So if they are say such a way, then we write all the numbers. But if they are not giving limitation, they are said you write the even number. So you can write any 3 or 4 even number. Then you are doing dash. Such a way here is done. Set of even number. So it is the curly bracket, meaning is set, and the set name is given by capital letter. So it is given A. A is the set of even number. Such a way read. So even number 2, 4, 6 and 8. So it is the roster form. Roster form means what? Or roster form or list method. So roster form means what? Roster form means in the roster form we can write every element separated by comma. Means all elements we write, but each and every element can be separated by comma. See, first even number is 2, then I am making comma. Second is 4, then I am making comma. Third is 6, then I am making comma. Then 8, then I am making comma. So every element can be separated by comma. Okay. So in the list method we can write all the whatever the numbers are there and how much possible numbers we write, that all we can write. So it is the roster form. In roster form we can write elements. Okay, so this is the 2, 4, 6, 8 is the roster. So that is right. And dash because this end, this list where end, I don't know. Then another thing is set of even prime number from 1 to 50. See, here is giving limitation. You want to write the prime number, but from 1 to 50. That prime number you want to write. Okay, so see how can you write the prime number. So even prime number you want to write. First I want to explain you what is meaning of prime. Prime means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. What I say, my students? Prime means what? Prime means, see, this is the prime. So prime means what? Prime means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime. So see, the 2 is a divided by 1. 2 is a divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. So it is divided by 1 or it is divided by 2, means number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. So here is from 1 to 50, there is possible of even prime number is 2 only. Okay, remember that. Prime means, are you understand prime means what? Prime means number is divisible by 1 and itself is called as the prime number. So 1 to 50, there is the 1 is a odd number, and 1 is a not a prime and not a composite numbers. Remember that. So this number is acceptations in the, it is not a prime, not a composite. Then we have taken 2. 2 is a prime. Why? Because it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by itself. So 2 is a prime number. 3 is a odd number. So here is, if you are check 1 to 50, you are getting only one even number, even prime number, that is 2. Remember that. Okay? Anyone doubts, you can ask me. I will explain you again. Do you understand? Prime means what? Prime means a number divisible by 1 and itself means that number only. Here is 2, so 2 is divisible by 2 and 1. Okay, they are said even, so I write only 2. Then another students are thinking, why not 3? 3 is a odd number. It is not. 4 is a even number, but 4 is not a prime number. Why not 4 is a prime number? Because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4, so it is not prime, it is a composite numbers. Okay, so my students, we check such a way and find out which is the prime number. So 1 to 50, even prime number is only 1, and that is the 2. Have a doubt? Then third questions we are going to see. Set of negative integers. Negative integers means negative number, you are right. -1, -2, -3, dash. Because that negative integers are also uncountable. You are not counted how many and which is the last number, that we don't know. So here is we write set of negative integer -1, -2 and -3. So they are nothing here, also they are nothing given limitations. The integer number right up to 10, up to 20, they are not given limitation. So when in the question there is not given limitation, so whatever number you know, that number you write, and afterwards you do dance. Dance means dash. Okay, such a way here also I don't know. In negative integer number is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So many number is there. Where they end? I don't know. So we are stop here. We write the 3 and then dash. Okay, uncountable number is there. Then another problem. Set of basic sound of sargam, means we want to write the sargams, so that the basic sound set name is D, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, so these are the sound of the sa, re, ga, ma. Are you understand? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. How many? Are you count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 sounds. Okay, here also we write 7 basic sounds. Are you understand then? This is called the least method. It is the least method, my students. Then we are going to see the another problem. Write the following symbolic statement in the word. Okay, so what is that? See here, 4 is belong to Q. 4 not here. 4 upon 3 is belong to Q. First we write all, then we read this. So see, this 1, 2 and 3. What they are saying? Write the symbolic statement in the words. So I want to write symbolic statement. So see here, my students, this symbolic statement, see this. Are you sure? See where I just dancing the red dot here. Yeah, this symbolic is called as belong to. What they are called? Belong to. Okay, so this is called as the belong to. So what we read, 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Okay, so here is we write 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Why write here an? Because this English vowel. So before English vowel we write an A. So this symbol means belong to. So it can be read as 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Okay. So here is written 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Is that clear? So where another problem is there, minus 2 and n, and this symbol meaning is not belong to. Not belong to means, see, there is a cross mark, so it is not belong to meaning. What is n? Natural number. So minus 2 is not a element of natural number. So see here, minus 2 is not an element of set of n. Here is, you can, n means what? Natural number. So you can also say that minus 2 is not a natural number. Same meaning is there. Okay, minus 2 is not a natural number. It is written minus 2 not belong to natural number. Suppose if you write whatever be given such a way, so you can write such a way, minus 2 is not belong to natural number. Here also you say 4 upon 3 is belong to Q, set Q. This is also correct. Okay my students, this is also correct. Means I write this meaning is also same. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. And another way you can say 4 upon 3 belong to set Q. Here is minus 2 is not an element of set n. And another way you also say minus 2 is not belong to n. Okay. And the last one, that is what? P is the set of P such that, see, P is the set of P such that, this line is meaning is such that, see where I kept the cursor and moving there, so that line meaning is such that. Okay, so P is the set of P such that P is an odd number. Okay, so we can write such a way, set of P is a set of all P such that P is a odd number. Or what I read, you can write such a way, P is the set of P such that P is an odd number. It's also correct. I think my students, you understand how can write the symbolic statement. Then we are going to write problem number 3. Write any two set by list method, listing method, and by rule method. So you want to write the set by two methods. One is the list method, another is the rule method. Okay my students, so see, write any two sets means they are giving free mind questions to you. So you can write your own example here. So A is the set of even natural number less than 10. Even natural number less than 10. What do we want to write? Even natural number. But how they are? Less than 10 they are. Okay. So A is the set of even natural number less than 10. So list method, A is equal to even natural number 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. So A said 2, 4, 6 and 8. So there are the even natural number and they are less than 10. See, it is the 10 number. So smaller than 10, all even number you write here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. This is called the list method. So you want to write your example by the rule method. So when you write in the rule method, how can you write? Just see here. I will just explain you how can I write this. Okay. So rule method A. Because set name is given capital. Here also you can give set name is capital. And this curly bracket meaning is set. Okay. Then this is called the element. 2, 4, 6, 8 is the element. And each and every element separated by comma. So in list method, the element or whatever be the element there, that can be seen very easily. Means that all elements you write and separated by comma. But in the rule method, we write name of the set first. That is the A. Then equal to. Then we write curly bracket such a way. This curly bracket and this curly bracket. After the curly bracket, what you write? X such that X. This thing is common in each and every example of the rule method, my students. What I say, if you don't understand, I will back and I will explain again. So see the rule method. Rule method, A is equal to set of. set of can be shown by this curly bracket and this curly bracket completed. Its meaning is set of. Then what is common? Then x such that x, that is common. Okay, what they are said, number is less than 10. So x is equal to 2n. Okay, 2n. Why this is the 2n? N is the natural number. So this is started from 1. So 2 1 ja 2. Then again 2. 2 2 ja 4. Then n is equal to 3. 2 3 ja 6. Then n is equal to 4. 2 4 ja 8. Because less than 10 they are said. So x is equal to 2n. X means this x is the element. This 2 4 6 8. So how can we get this? N is less than 5. Less than 5 means this n is less than 5. See here. So that n you are taken 1 2 3 4 only. So x is equal to 2n. So n is equal to 1. 2 1 ja 2. So here is the right 2. Then n is equal to 2. 2 2 ja 4. So I write here 4. Then n is equal to 3. 2 3 ja 6. So I write here 6. Then n is equal to 4. 2 4 ja 8. So I write here 8. So you are getting 2 4 6 and 8 by the list method. And rule method we can write A is the set of x such that x is equal to 2n. N is belong to natural number. See, this is the belong to sign, belong to natural number, and comma natural number is smaller than 5. Okay, natural number is smaller than 5. Such a way we write the rule method. So in the rule method, how can I write? Again explain. In rule method, first common thing is A. You can give name set of A, capital A is equal to, what can you do? Is equal to, you write curly bracket. Such a way. Here you start curly bracket, here you end curly bracket. That meaning is set of, and this is common. Then what is common? X such that x is common is equal to 2n. N is the natural number that started from 1. Why it is multiplied by 2? Because you want even number, so multiply by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, so you get 2. 2 2 ja 4, so you get 4. 2 3 ja 6, here you get 6. 2 4 ja 8, such a way. And this n is belong to natural number, and this n smaller than 5. So it is not equal to 5, it is smaller than 5. So you are taken 1 2 3 4 value of n, such a way. How do you understand? So here you can write this x such that x. Afterward we write here property, according to which property they are coming together. So that property is written here. Then another example. B is a set of letter of word science. What they are said? B is a set of letter of word science. Science words set of letter. Okay. So list method. B is equal to science. So we can write S C I E N. So when you write in the list method, if the element are coming again and again, you can write single time. See, check it. S coming single time, I write X. Then C coming here, so I write here C. Then I coming here, so I write here I. Then E coming, so I write here E. N coming, so I write here N. Then I go to write C here, but C is coming again 2 times, so you can write single times. So this C is not written here because this C and this C they are coming 2 times. See, this is first time, this is second time. So if the elements are coming 2 times, you can write single times only. So here is we write single time C. Is that clear, my student? Because here you are making mistakes. You are kept in your mind. If the elements are coming again and again, same element are coming again and again, so many times that elements are coming, then you can write single times only. Don't write how many times is coming, only write single times. So here is C, write single time. This is not written. Then C, E, they are also coming 2 times, but you can write single times. So here is I write single times. Is that clear? So list method, in the list method, you kept in mind if the element same element coming again and again, then you can write single times. Same thing you want to write by the rule method. So rule method, B is equal to set of this curly bracket and this curly bracket, set of. Okay, then B is the set of X such that this line meaning is rule method. We write first name of set, that is capital, so capital B is equal to this curly bracket to this curly bracket, meaning is set. Then write the singular prompts. X is the set of such X is the set of X such that, this meaning is such that X is the set of X such that X is letter of word science. You must be remember here you write after X such that X you write property, according to which property they are coming together. So which property is there? Sign. Sign is the what? Letter. Letter in which word? Which word? Sign word. So whatever we write your property, that property you must be write in singular form. Don't write your property in plural form. Is that clear? So see here, B is the set of X such that X is a letter of the word science. Okay. Now rule method, B is the set of X such that X is a letter of the word science. बघा वर्ड म्हटलं मी, वर्ड्स नाही म्हटलं, लेटर्स नाही म्हटलं, लेटर म्हटलं, लेटर. बघा जरी इथे लेटर्स म्हटलंय तरी पण आपण इथे लेटर, कारण नेहमी यू कॅन राईट ऑलवेज इन सिंग्युलर फॉर्म. डोंट राईट इन द प्लुरल फॉर्म. दिस इज द मेन थिंग. सो यू राईट इज अ लेटर, सिंग्युलर फॉर्म. Words don't say word. Okay, so whatever we write here you write in the singular form. And which property, which word is there? Science. So that can be write such a way, science. Is that clear my students? Then problem number 4. Write the following set using list method. So you want to write list methods. So first I write the problems here and then I start the answer. All month in the Indian solar year, all month you want to write. Solar years means what? Marathi Varsha, leap Varsha. This is called leap year. Sorry, it is called Marathi Varsha. Marathi महिने म्हणतो आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये. Are you understand my student what they are said? All month in the Indian solar system म्हणजे मराठी महिने लिहा. Okay, so चैत्र, वैशाख, each and every element can be separated by comma. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshta, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. This is the solar system year in the Indian. Are you understand? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshta, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Paush, Magh and Phalgun. Okay. Then later in the word complement, later in the word complements, they want to write into the list method. So X is equal to curly bracket. Here curly bracket means sets. So I want to write complement. So C capital here written, so I can write capital C. So I write here C. Comma means then O, so I write here O. Capital, so I write capital. M, so I write here M. Comma, then P, so I write here P. Comma, L, so I write here L. Comma, then E, so I write here E. Comma, then M. But see, this M and this M, they are coming 2 times. This M and this M, they are coming 2 times. So we can write single time only. Don't write double. If the elements are coming 2 times, 3 times, you can write only single times. Such a way in this example, complement is here. See, M, complement is here. So you can write single M only. Are you understand? Then P. So here is I write P single. So P is there. Then E. See, E is single time. So I write here E. Then N. So I write here N. And T. Such a way. So which letter is coming only 2 times? This E coming 2 times, so they are write single times. Okay. Then another example. Are you understand how can write complement? Complement is by list method is very simple. Give name of set any, that is capital, is equal to curly bracket, then each element right here C, comma, O, comma, M, comma, P, comma, L, comma, E, comma, then M. But this M and this M coming two times, this M coming two times, so we can write single time only. Then L, so I write here L. Then E, then I write here E. Then M double coming, not write single time only. E double coming, only write single time. N coming single time, so I write here single time. And T, such a way. Okay. Then another set of human sensory organs. So human sensory organ nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. They are the human sensory organs. So each organ can be separated by comma. Nose, ear, eyes, tongue, skin. Okay. Then set of prime number. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. So on Z is equal to set of prime number. Prime number means I already explained. Prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called as the prime number. And all of my dear students, remember that 1 is not a prime and not a composite. Mean one number is not prime number and it is not a composite number. Because 99% students are right, 1 is a prime number. But remember that 1 is not prime, not composite. Is that clear? So we have started from 2. So see, 2 is a prime number because 2 is divided by 1 and itself 2. 3 is a prime number because 3 is divided by 1 and itself. 5 is the prime number because 5 is divisible by 1 and itself. 7 is the prime number because 7 is divisible by 1 and itself. 8 is not a prime number because 8 is divided by 2, divided by 4, divided by 1, divided by 8. So it is not a prime number, it is composite number. 11 is a prime number because it is divided by 1 and itself. 13 is the prime number because it is divisible by 1 and itself. 17 is the prime number because it is divisible by 1 and itself. 19 is the prime number because it is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay. Then name of continents of the words. Okay. So name of continents of the words. Set E is equal to Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. Okay, this is the continents of the words. म्हणजे आपण मराठीत खंड म्हणतो, खंड, आशिया, आफ्रिका, such a way. Okay, so name of continents of the words. That is, first we write Asia, after you write Africa, after you write Europe, after you write Australia, after you write Antarctica, after you write South America, after you write North America. Okay. Then problem number 5. Write the following set using rule methods. Okay. So see the first problem. A is the set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So if you are observe what is the set of this, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 100 it is the 10 square. Okay, mean it is the square of number 1 to 10. This is, you are understand what is this? This is the square of number from 1 to 10. So you can write such a way. Here is the A is equal to A is the set of X such that this line meaning is such that A is the set of X such that X is the square of natural number. Square of natural number. This sign is square of natural number. So n belong to natural number. What is n? It is natural number. And there n is smaller than or equal to 10. Means this n value is smaller than or equal to 10. Smaller than means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. This, so it is, I am saying, smaller than. Or why equal? Because 10 square is 100, so it is equal. Okay, equal to 10, so it is equal. Or you understand? According to this is the B set. So B set 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 66, 42, 48. What is it? Are you observe it? 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. Okay, so it is a table of 6 up to 8 number. So we can say smaller than 9. If you want to check, say 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So this is the 6 table, means 6n multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this n is smaller than 9. So see, B is the set of x such that, see, this meaning is such that x is equal to 6n, x is equal to 6n, n is equal to what you are consider 1, 6 1s are 6, so you are getting 6, then n is equal to 2, 6 2s are 12, so you are getting 12, n is equal to 3, 6 3s are 18, n is equal to 4, 6 4s are 24, n is equal to 5, 6 5s are 30, n is equal to 6, 6 6s are 36, n is equal to 7, 6 7s are 42, n is equal to 8, 6 8s are 48. Okay, so this n is belong to natural number, but this n is smaller than 9. Is that clear? Then another, C is the smile words, SMILE. So you want to write it by the row C. C is the set of y, C is the set of y, C is the set of y such that y is letter of word smile. Because it is very simple. What is this smile? Smile is what? Letter. So this word smile is word, but which letter is there? S M I L E. So these letters get together became a word smile. Okay, so we can write for C is the set of y such that, this is called such that y is letter, single words, singular form you say, letter of word smile. Very simple. Then T is the set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so what is it? Week. It is the week. So D is the set of Z such that Z is a day of the week. Day of the week. Day of the week. Don't say days. If you say days, it is wrong answer. Day, you can say singular form. So here is we write D is the set of Z such that Z is day of the week. So this day of the week is written. So remember this week, W-E-E-K. Don't write W-E-A-K, week. That meaning is totally different. Then X is the set of A-E-T. What is it? A-E-T. It is the word eat. So X is the set of Y such that Y is a letter of word eat, because it is eat word. Okay, eat word. And they are right, you can write in property singular form. So X is the set of Y such that, this is called such that Y is letter of word it. Such a way we are completed this exercise. If anyone students having any doubt, you can ask me, and if you like what I taught you, then subscribe this channel and send to your friends and say to them subscribe and like. Have a good day. Study hard and write homework. This exercise totally means you can write homework practice set 1.